The 2026 Ford Galaxie Limited is a remarkable blend of vintage charm and modern refinement, bringing a new chapter to a classic American nameplate. Ford has captured the essence of the Galaxie while elevating it with contemporary design, luxury features, and performance enhancements that will leave any car enthusiast in awe. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Galaxie Limited maintains its signature bold, retro aesthetic, but with a sleek, refined update. The front grille is larger and more imposing, with a chrome finish that gives it an upscale appearance. The headlights are modern LED units, arranged in a way that gives the car an aggressive yet timeless look. The long, sweeping lines of the Galaxie's body give it a sense of grandeur, with chrome accents along the sides and around the windows that emphasize its luxurious feel. The rear end features a subtle modern twist on the classic tail fins, with smooth, flowing curves that pay homage to the car's past while giving it a contemporary, aerodynamic touch. The 2026 Ford Galaxie Limited sits on 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, giving it an air of sophistication, while the wider stance helps with both stability and visual appeal. Inside, the 2026 Galaxie Limited takes the concept of comfort to a whole new level. The cabin is lined with premium materials like soft leather, suede, and polished wood trim, creating a luxurious and warm environment. The front seats are deeply cushioned and offer multiple power adjustments, including heating and ventilation, ensuring comfort no matter the weather. The rear seats are equally as inviting, providing ample space for passengers to relax on long drives. The dashboard features a high-resolution digital display that integrates all essential driving information, while the central console is home to Ford's latest Sync 5 system, which provides seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. The cabin is also equipped with a premium sound system, offering crystal-clear audio for your favorite tunes, and noise-canceling technology ensures that the ride is quiet and serene. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Galaxie Limited boasts a range of powerful engines, including a 5.0-liter V8 that produces 450 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, the Galaxie Limited accelerates smoothly while delivering impressive power when needed. The handling has been upgraded with a refined suspension system, making it more nimble than you might expect from a car of this size, while still providing the smooth, comfortable ride that is characteristic of full-size sedans. The car is equipped with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, ensuring a secure driving experience. Despite its large size, the Galaxie Limited is surprisingly agile, offering a responsive and refined driving experience that balances performance with comfort. As for pricing, the 2026 Ford Galaxie Limited starts at around $55,000, placing it in the premium sedan market. It competes with other high-end sedans that offer a blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, but with the added appeal of its rich heritage. For those who appreciate a nod to the past while enjoying the modern advancements of today, the Galaxie Limited offers tremendous value. In conclusion, the 2026 Ford Galaxie Limited is a stunning reimagining of a classic, combining nostalgia with innovation. With its bold exterior, luxurious interior, powerful performance, and modern tech, this car proves that Ford can create a vehicle that not only honors its past but also embraces the future. Whether you're a fan of classic American cars or someone looking for a full-size luxury sedan with unmatched character, the Galaxie Limited is sure to impress.